NEBOSH IGC roles of directors, managers, and supervisors. Accountability. They must hold managers and supervisors accountable for implementing and enforcing safety standards. Visibility and engagement. Directors and senior managers should be visibly involved in health and safety, attending the workplace, participating in training, and responding to safety concerns. Importance of defined responsibilities. Without clear definitions, it becomes impossible to train staff properly, hold them accountable, or measure performance. Organizations may have various structures, but typically, responsibilities cascade down from directors to managers, supervisors, and frontline workers. Each level has specific duties. Directors and senior managers are responsible for setting the tone, structure, and resources for health and safety, ensuring there is clarity, accountability, and visible leadership throughout the organization.